we are going to learn 8th sum. If D is the highest common factor of 32 and 60, find x and y satisfying D equal to 32x plus 60y. So here D is the highest common factor, that means HCF of 32 and 60. So they given two numbers, we are going to find first HCF for this, that is the value of D. Okay, next we are going to find, by using this condition, we are going to find x value and y value. Okay, now we will proceed. Write solution here. First one, what they given? D is the, write the given. Okay, D is the HCF of 32 and 60. Okay, what is the condition they given? Second condition, D equal to 32x plus 60y. This is the condition they given. Okay, so first we are going to find HCF for 32 and 60 by using, you know very well, by using Euclid division algorithm. So Euclid's division algorithm, we are going to find HCF of 32 and 60. Okay. So what is the formula? A equal to BQ plus R, and then A is greater than B. What is condition? 0 is less than or equal to R less than modulus of B. Okay. Now here you just see here two numbers, which is greater number. 60 is a greater number. So this is A value and this is B value. So 60 equal to 32. So divided, you just find quotient and remainder. Okay, so here I am going to divide 32, 60 divided by 32. It's possible one time 32. If I am subtracting 60 minus 32, I will get 28. So this is quotient, this is remainder. So in next one, here you just see R is equal to 0. No, R is not equal to 0. Then again we should proceed. This is what? This is considered as B value is considered as A value, and R value we should consider as B value. Okay, again we should divide it. 32 divided by 28, one time is possible. If you are subtracting this, you will get 4. So 1 is the quotient and 4 is remainder. So remainder is not equal to 0. Again we should proceed. So this one is B as 28 as A and 4 as B. So 28 equal to 4. Okay. This one you know very well. 4 table 28 7 times. So remainder is 0. Okay. So remainder is 0 means R is equal to 0 means what is the HCF value here? B value we should consider as a HCF. So D equal to 4. So here you should write HCF of 32 and 60 is 4. That means D value is 4. Okay. Now we are going to substitute D value 4 in the condition, the given condition. Okay. D equal to what the given condition? D equal to 32x plus 60y. Instead of this D, I am going to apply 4 here. So 4 equal to 32x plus 60y. Now we are going to see here, we are going to find x value and y value, right? So before seeing this, here we will move. Here how many steps we got? So 3 steps, right? So first step we will give, this is first equation. This is second step we will give, this is second equation. Third step we will give third equation, right? So 3 steps only we followed here. So taking this first equation, see here what value is there? 4 is there, right? So we are going to take here first second equation. Here because in this equation only 4 is there. So taking second equation, I am going to check taking second equation, because I am going to apply here some value, then only I will get x value and y value. Okay, taking second equation. What is the second equation they given here? 28 plus 4 equal to 32. Okay, 28 plus 4 equal to 32. Okay, now I am going to write this 4 in the left side only. I am going to take this 28 that side. So 4 you write as such, 32 plus 28 if you're bringing that side, it will become minus 28, right? So minus 28. Okay, now again I got one equation, new equation I got. See here, instead of this 28, I am going to apply 60. Here they given 32, 60, right? So that number only I should make this one. Instead of 28, I am going to make this one as a 32 or 60. Okay, so it will be easy for finding x value and y value. So here you just see very well. 28, where is 28? In first equation only 28 is there, right? Instead of this 28, how we will write? 60, this plus 32, if you are bringing this side, it will become minus, right? So here I am going to write 4 equal to 32 minus, you just write as it is. Instead of 28, what you should write? See here, instead of 28, 60, here plus 32, if you are bringing this side, it will become minus 32, right? So instead of 28, you should write 60 minus 32. Okay, here you write inside the bracket from first equation, from equation 1 or first equation. Okay, now you just see here, 4 you just write as it is, 32 you just write as it is. Bring this, multiply this minus inside the bracket. So minus 60, minus into minus plus 32. Now you just see here, 4 you just write as it is. Here 32, how many 32 you write here inside bracket? How many 32 is there? 2. Okay, and minus 60. Okay, minus 60. So I am going to convert in this equation. So listen carefully. 4 I am going to write as it is. 32 is there, and x value also inside bracket is there. And here what they given? Plus. Plus means here what I should do? So plus 60, and here they given minus, right? So minus 1. Here now you just see here, what is the x value here? Inside, see here x is there, here also inside bracket x value is there. So what is the value for x? 2. And what is the y value here? So y is they given here, right? It is minus 1. Okay, so plus 60, here minus 60 is there. I am going to write 60 as a 60, ones are 60. I am going to split like this. So minus they given, plus into minus, minus. Okay, clear? So now I found the value for x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. Thank you. We will see next video.